Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hold the lighter upright with the flame outlet facing away from you. Keep your thumb about 1 inch from the spark wheel while preparing to ignite. Inspect the fuel window and body for cracks or dents before every use. Replace the unit if the fluid is leaking or the case is compromised. Use a steady thumb motion to roll the wheel and depress the release simultaneously. Limit continuous flame contact to 3 seconds for safety and to conserve fuel. Keep the flame away from fabric and hair at all times. Position the lighter nozzle 3 to 4 inches from the item you want to light. Hold the lighter steady with your index finger supporting the base for control. Strike the spark wheel with a firm circular motion while you press the fuel lever down. Maintain the thumb pressure until the flame stabilizes and then slightly reduce pressure to control flame height. To extinguish, fully release the fuel lever and avoid blowing on the flame, which can spread embers. Allow the tip to cool for at least 10 seconds before storing away. Store lighters in a cool place below 120 degrees Fahrenheit and out of reach of children. Keep lighters away from direct sunlight and heat sources to prevent pressure buildup. Refill standard lighters only at room temperature and use the manufacturer-recommended fluid or butane. Wipe the nozzle clean with a dry cloth before and after refilling to prevent clogging. Test for leaks by listening and smelling briefly before use after any maintenance. Dispose of empty or damaged lighters responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.